All right, crypto market. We're back on the action today, guys. Litecoin is under the microscope, mostly because it deserves an update, hitting 66.66 here, which we anticipated right from the get-go. As we pulled the trigger here on the Litecoin, we got in a prime location, right? Because price action kind of started to pull back, showing a spike that was ever growing. At some point around 60, it felt right to establish that bullish campaign with multiple levels in mind. I mean, first of all, 66 itself had to be a target, had to be a profit target, a very short-term one. But it's really more than a target, right? It's that last line of support. This is really our reference point. So for us to keep having this bullish campaign in the first place on the Litecoin, price action has to go through 66 here, establish itself above, and from that point forward start that upside move, that bull cycle. Everything till 66 here is, for me, is more like a false breakdown where price action is correcting that fake breakdown. So it's back to normal, if you will. You can see it on the monthly chart. It's just really beautiful to see the same 66 level, right, against the monthly bar. Take a look, that pullback, right? It's no coincidence it's sitting right on top of that level, because I feel like there's a good chance, more than good chance probably, that it's gearing up for an upside reversal. Upside reversal, full-fledged, back to 95.25. All right, that's on the long-term scale. Short-term perspective, next one is 74.98, so that's what we're focusing on. You can see the target, the profit target is already there. Later down the road, if everything goes well, of course, we're going to start incorporating 84.30, and eventually, as I've mentioned, we can't even see it here. It's right here. It's 95.25. So here's how it looks like from the weekly perspective. You can see the pullback. You can see the turnaround. But we still have to be cautious, right? We need to make sure price action is closing the weekly bar back above 66 before we get more aggressive. All right, now it's the crossover moment. We've seen it yesterday, the attempt that failed eventually by the end of the day. Price action was definitely knocking on that door. Didn't get any access though. Today, it seems to be doing what it did yesterday. Maybe today it's going to have success on that crossover. But we have to remember it's just a daily chart, right? So the daily close have some significance, but not much. We have to remember that. Take it with a grain of salt. It's like the first kind of an initial indication, if you will. What we would like to see is the weekly close confirmation above 66. That will definitely give us that confidence to carry on. But yeah, it looks good for now. At this point, still very early stages though. We'll have to come back and follow up. Of course, that's what we'll do. In the meantime, have a lovely day, guys. We're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.